I know that I've talked about the PakMule carrier a lot, and I want to be honest with you folks. I can't live without this carrier. The fact that I can add more cargo space or cargo carrying capacity to my vehicle makes a world of difference. When I go to the grocery stores now, oftentimes I will simply carry a extra large black tote yellow top. You can pick those up from Home Depot, Lowe's, Costco, Sam's Club, and I will place it in the back here. And I always have my PakMule straps. And if I go to Costco and I'm getting certain items, I can put those items in here, strap it down, and be on my way back home. If I'm going to get a lot more than my standard pickup, then I'll carry two of those totes, and I can easily put two of them back here. And we're talking about the extra large totes. You can stack them also. So I may put a extra large one over here and a regular size one here. This carrier, once you get it, I don't think anyone can live without it. I mean, just think about this. You now are taking cargo capacity from the interior of your vehicle and placing it on the exterior of your vehicle. And once again, this particular carrier is the swayback that PakMule no longer carries. They carry two models now. And one model looks similar to this one, except it has a little bit more depth. And I will be picking that up for my other vehicle, and that's the Pro. In the meantime, when I combine this unit with the Ridge rambleswing Pro that allows me to swing this entire unit out, it's a game changer, because now I have direct access to the back of my vehicle for other items. Okay? Now, I'm going to get a little bit closer, and I want to show you what I'm about to do today. I think this is very important. Now, when you look closer at its connective point, which is right here on the tongue of the swayback carrier, here's your lock. And this also allows, this particular lock allows this carrier to be cinched down really tight. Now, on this carrier, there's two mounting holes. And I've already found out that I can actually push this in further to give me a shorter tongue, so to speak. But I would have to remove these four bolts that hold the handle. And when you buy the Ridge rambleswing Pro, the handle is already disassembled, so you have to assemble it on here anyways. Now, I'm doing this because this setup will remain this way. I will never, ever remove it, because it provides so much benefit to the fact that anytime I want to carry something, I have the ability to do so. Anytime I go camping or overlanding or traveling, I have extra storage capacity. And this is what I love about it. Okay, now I want you to know that this carrier has a weight capacity of 650 pounds. But because I have the rambleswing Pro on here, it diminishes the capacity to 350 pounds. And if I swing this out that way, it diminishes the capacity down to 200 pounds, because it doesn't have all of the support back here once you swing it out. This is noted by Ridge Supply themselves. Okay? One of the things that you can do if you do not have the rambleswing Pro and you do not care for swinging something out, then you can go ahead and install this directly into your hitch. You'll get 650 pounds capacity. Just you can carry a lot. And I'm going to be honest with you. I've seen many testings, many videos, and these carriers can actually carry in upwards of 1,000 pounds. The issue you're going to have is your tongue weight. Your tongue weight cannot carry that much. So unless you have a heavy duty truck that's built and designed where your tongue weight can carry 1,000 pounds, that's a different story. But this one here, 650 pounds that it has for capacity. But I'm limited to 350, which is not a problem with me. So I'm going to go ahead today and I'm going to uninstall this latch. I'm going to take off this lock nut bolt here. Then I'm going to push the carrier in further. So let's get started. Now, in order to give me a little bit more access to this area, I'm going to go ahead and remove the carrier from the actual hitch. So let me do that first. And so as you can see here, I removed the actual handle, and I'm going to go ahead and place my PakMule sway back in here, and then I can get to that secondary lock. Another thing you're going to have to do, because this is in your way, you're going to have to move this and open this up. So let me go ahead and do that now. And now you have nothing in your way, okay? Now, I want you to pay very close attention to both of the holes, and you'll see what I'm talking about. You can, in fact, move this in further into the rambleswing. So there's your first hole here. And there's the hole here, now lining up, pushing this carrier closer. Now, in order to get the bolt on, you're going to have to move it out because this is going to be in your way. Now that I've installed the bolt and the lock, I can now go ahead and push this back in. So you see, without pulling this out, I wouldn't have had the clearance. Now I have the clearance, okay? And so now my PakMule, I believe, has a little bit more weight capacity because I'm now pushing the tongue further into the rambleswing Pro. So I'm now going to have to squeeze in here and get the screws back on. So now that I've gotten all the bolts in, it's going to be a little tight fit. You got big hands, or it's not hard. Just take your time. If you feel like your bolts are not going in as easy, you may want to go ahead and clean all of the Loctite off and put a little oil in the area, and then clean that off also. And clean out the mounting holes, and then apply some Loctite so you can get it in there. The last thing you want to do is cross thread. Okay, this is done. It's just where I need it. So now that I've moved the actual hitch carrier or the carrier into the actual rambleswing Pro, I believe that I'm going to have a lot more strength and stability. And not only that, I want you to check this out. I don't know if you noticed in the beginning, but it's now more aesthetically pleasing because I've just got rid of literally 2 inches of length sticking out and pushing it back in here. Anyways, thanks for watching.